Hi friends, being an funnel designer, many of my clients always ask me, Dhaval, how would you help us without having our own product or service to grow online? I simply answer them affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best strategy to promote other people's product without having your own business or services. Hi guys, I am Dhaval. I will teach you top 3 niches in the affiliate marketing in 2021. Before that, intro. Okay guys, let's get started. So guys, there are lots of niches, sub niches and micro niches available in affiliate marketing. Now let me tell you some of the places they are called niches and some of the places they are called niche. But in this video we will stick to the niches. Please forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. So guys, as I said, there are many niches and sub niches in affiliate marketing. People get lost when they first come in affiliate marketing, especially newcomer, newbie and beginners get lost in the world of affiliate marketing. Being an affiliate marketer and after promoting lots of products, I have found these 3 top niches which does well in the affiliate world. Not only they have huge audience within these niches, but these niches give us lots of money in return while we are doing affiliate of their products. So don't waste the time guys, let's jump into my computer screen and I will reveal top 3 best niches to promoting affiliate products. So guys, number 1 secret of selecting niche is select niche which solve customers problem in their daily life. What would I mean by that? We have to select those kind of niches which solve our customers problem in their daily life. Our customers, or I should say people, lot of people facing lots of challenges and problem in their daily life. One by one I will reveal those kind of niches will help to solve their problem in their daily life. So guys, number 3 niche is relationship. Relationship niche is one of the best niche in terms of affiliate marketing. People are having hard time with their loved ones. Lot of people are facing challenges with relationship with their spouse in their daily life. People are trying to impress his girlfriend or her boyfriend. People wants to propose someone to marry them. I mean, there are huge challenges in people's daily life in terms of love and relationship. People are facing lots of challenges in their daily life regarding love and relationship. So selecting this niche is and promoting products related to this niche will be more beneficial for us. But always remember guys, as I said in my previous video, we have to try to solve their problem, not being salesy. So once we try to solve their problem, they definitely will buy from us. Now, few products does well in relationship niches are text chemistry. This is one of the best products on ClickBank. All the products available on ClickBank guys. Text chemistry, his secret obsession, mend the marriage, 15-minute manifestation. This kind of niche does well. I should say this kind of product does well in the relationship niche. Now it's time to number 2 niche. Number 2 niche is health niche guys. Yes guys, lots of people are facing with their diet and weight loss. with the problem related to their diet and weight loss. People are having hard time to lose their weight. Lots of people are facing challenges with their diet, as I said earlier. Lots of people are having diabetes, blood pressure, also lots more health problems. Products are related to diet and weight loss. Products are related to health and fitness. Products are related to health remedies will converts well. This is one of the best niche, guys. So selecting this niche and promoting products related to this niche will be more beneficial for us in terms of affiliate marketing. So I would say you should consider this niche. This is one of the best high converting niche in affiliate marketing, guys. Products does well in health niches are Lepitox, smoothie diet, custom keto diet, yoga bun, research. Now let me tell you guys, these are only my suggestion. You can find more products related to health and fitness, diet and weight loss niche. You can find more related products on ClickBank. But I am suggesting you the products which converts well in this niche. So you should consider these products to promote, and you can generate more sale with this kind of products. Now it's time to number one niche, and number one niche is, guys, wealth niche. Yes guys, wealth niche is one of the number one, I should say top niche in affiliate marketing in terms of promoting affiliate products. Make money online, wealth niche, these are the best niches in affiliate marketing. Why we should promote this kind of products? Because all the people are on the internet nowadays. So business owners are trying to target their ideal customer via digital marketing, online marketing, social media marketing. Everyone wants automation in their business. Business owners wants to sell more and earn more online. Products which helps business owner to grow their business online will convert well. Products which helps business owner to generate more sale, which converts well. Affiliate marketing comes under this niche, guys. So selecting this niche and promoting products related to this niche will be more beneficial for us. Now let me show you products does well in wealth niches are SaaS products, software as a service products, guys, like Builderall, GrooveFunnels, ClickFunnels, email marketing softwares, tools related to email marketing, hosting plans, affiliate marketing programs. These kind of products are converts more, guys, because they are solving problems of our customer. This software helps our customer to generate more sales in their daily life, in their business, I should say, and grow their business online more and more efficiently. So you should consider this kind of products to promote and to get more sale with this kind of products. So guys, as you seen top 3 niches in affiliate marketing, you should promote these kind of products and you can generate more sale within these kind of products. In later videos I will show you how to promote these kind of products and brings more and more sale in your affiliate marketing. So stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching my video, guys.